Happy New Year, YouTube. This is the year end of 2023, and this is the video I want to go over everything I earned in 2023. And if you're looking for how much I earned, if you're just looking for that figure, the figure is $292,671.93. If that's all you're interested in, that's the number, and you can go ahead and just drop off the channel. But if you want me to go into more detail, I'm going to go through everything that I earned income on throughout all of the year of 2023. So although this was the biggest number I've ever earned in a single year, I want to break it down, each and every category of what I had trying to earn income in 2023. And that involves 3 different YouTube channels, a Shopify store, and all of my contracts. I went through about 4 different contracts in 2023 for my freelance software engineering work. And I kind of want to break down all of that throughout the entire year. So getting right into it, my oldest YouTube channel that I've had for about 3 years, I probably spent about like $500 on this channel. And throughout the whole year, I've earned exactly $0. This is the channel that I have about 983 subscribers. And in 2023, it was about like 20,000 views. This is like more of a creative outlet channel. So I plan on just doing fun artistic things versus like actually making it a moneymaker. I do want to grow it so that it is self-sustaining, but that will probably still be a couple more years. Let's get into the second YouTube channel, and that is this channel. This is Cody Codes. This was a crazy year for me. It actually like went into monetization, so I did earn some money off of this channel. So let's go into how that breaks down. Before this channel, like I actually started to invest a little bit into, buying back my own time and paying an editor. Throughout the whole year, I probably spent a little over like $500, like $511 into this channel. And if we look at my revenue for how much I made in AdSense for this channel, it comes to a whopping $72.93. And that does not even come close to breaking even. But the idea is I do want to grow this more in the future. So I'm actually really proud of this, that I'm able to have this much growth that I've had, and almost all of it has been this year. So thank you for everyone who has been along for the ride this year. I plan on doubling down and adding a bunch more effort into this channel in the near future in 2024. In 2023, I also started a third YouTube channel, and this thing is super small. It's got like 8 subscribers. It's only got 2 videos, but it has a lot of potential in my eyes, and I do want to invest more time in it next year. But the problem is just like finding the time. So that's the big issue. Another thing I started in this year was a Shopify store. This is something that I am very excited about. But again, I think one thing that was a problem in 2023 is taking on too many things. And so I invested probably like $200 for the domain and like having the store and having up and running and getting the right businesses linked to it. But because I don't have the energy or time to do it, I kind of shut it down for right now. So right now, in 2023, I made $0 here as well. Another part of this is that I want to include like kind of reinvestments in myself, and I wanted to include in 2023. I spent about a little over $2,000 in like trainings and courses to level up my own skills in various areas in YouTube and freelancing. And I'm going to have more content kind of expanding on what I've learned. So expect to see more of that in the future. So now we can actually get into the section where I made money versus just like burning it and investing it into things that may or may not flourish in the future. So this is essentially the bulk of all my earnings. And that is with my freelancing income, like my freelance software engineering income. And throughout the whole year, I went through about like 4 distinct contracts. Contract number 1, throughout the whole year, I earned about $35,000, and that was mostly part-time in the beginning of the year as I was winding down on a previous project. I was leading a project that was doing a lot of Django and React work and integrating with like a big enterprise system. So since I was winding down, it was more of like handing off my responsibilities and making sure that they were on the right track as the project moved on more into the client's hands versus us just like bringing it up and running. And the second contract is more of like a kind of a maintenance contract. This is a Ruby on Rails application that has some Angular JS. So like JS, which is before Angular 2 and above, application that is running a small business in the town I live in. And that throughout the whole year was about $45,000. And this is a client that I just absolutely love, and has been more of like a maintenance and like keeping the servers from not catching fire, fixing bugs, adding new features, proposing new solutions for the business. It's a very simpatico and good relationship that I will continue to probably work with them in some degree for as long as they're in business. As long as they have this application, I want to help. And so the third contract was basically just a real small project, strictly like a Rails backend application where I was trying to migrate some stuff for the background jobs, for their delayed jobs. By the end of the year, it was like $1,000 I got off of that contract. So that was good. The idea is that I'm investing some time now so that maybe it will mature into a bigger relationship or a bigger contract in the future. And the last contract was basically what you could say is just the full-time job. This is grinding through like a normal full year engagement of helping an application that was React and Rails and on Heroku. So those are the main technologies and platform that they're working with, and I have a lot of experience with, and the work I love. And it's nice, steady work that I've been able to do the whole year, and that has totaled to $215,000 by itself throughout the whole year. And by and large, if you think about it, that's mostly just like a full-time job with another title. Like I'm a contractor, I get 1099 income, but it's essentially, it just feels like a normal day job that I'm working with to like help them achieve their goals while I maintain the stuff that I know how to do and keep the lights on, keep the business running. That's the main goal. I want to talk about a little bit of a disclaimer, is that this seems like a lot, and it is, but I kind of have like this almost unhealthy like level of thinking that everything's going to go away. So I do want to like build this foundation of like income and like business so that I can have my own fate in my own hands versus like getting laid off and stuff like that. So I want to create my own thing. And so that's what a lot of this channel is about. It's about freelancing. It's about advancing my own career and guidance, and also educating and helping people in software engineering and freelancing so that they can grow and know what they're getting into as the years come on. So I plan on investing a lot of time essentially into this channel and branching off of that in the near future. So that's it for 2023. And it is a large sum. It's the most money that I've made ever. In 2024, here's my goal. My goal is to like really advance this YouTube channel. And also I do want to advance and add some more like training materials, some informational products to help people level up in their career and in freelancing, so that I can help the people that are asking a lot of questions on this channel. I want to help as many people as I can. As long as there's value out there and people are interested in it, I'd like to give it a try to help as many people as I can, honestly. That's my goal for 2024. So if you're interested in that, like, just subscribe and stick around and keep me honest. So if anyone is out there in June and they notice that I'm not really doing what I said I did, I want you guys to call me out, and I want to like grow this channel in different areas. So let me know what you want and your need. And the idea is that I'm going to put more effort into here, and I hope to talk to many more of you in this channel. So far, thank you for supporting me if you have. And if not, let's look forward to 2024. So again, Happy New Year. I hope you guys have a great year, and let's make 2024 a good year, a big year to grow as a whole, as a community, and we can get out there and achieve our goals in a sane, not crazy, non-hustle culture way. That's what I want to see from you guys and myself. So take care of yourself, take care of your families. Let's grow. Let's do some cool things in 2024. All right. See you guys.